Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to share Google Calendar on iPhone. Here's how you can share your Google Calendar from iPhone. Step 1. Open a browser and open Google Calendar. Then tap desktop at the bottom of the page to switch views. Step 3. Find My Calendars on the bottom left of the screen. Step 4. Tap the calendar you'd like to share. Then tap on the three dots that appear. Step 5. Tap Settings and Sharing. Step 6. Scroll down to share with specific people. Step 7. Tap Add People and enter the email address of those you would like to share the calendar with. You can also share with groups from Google Groups. Step 8. Enter permission settings. And finally, tap on Send. And that's how you will be able to share your Google Calendar on iPhone. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.